Namaste dosto, Radhe Radhe. So today we are diving into an innovative tech company that is making waves in the IT industry, EcoBridge Solution. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification so you never miss out on exciting tech content. From from custom software development to cutting edge cybersecurity, IT consulting and cloud services, EcoBridge solution is a one-stop destination for all things tech. In this video, we will explore their expertise, solve some fun MCQs related to their specialties, and even test your coding skills. So stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. First, custom software development. First, what is the main advantage of custom software over off the shelf software? Second, a software development team delivers a project in 40 days with 8 developers. How many developers are needed to complete it in 20 days? If a function f of x is 3x plus 5 is applied to an input x equals to 4, what is the output? A project manager plans to complete a software project in 6 months, but due to unforeseen delays, it takes 20% longer. How many months will the project take? A company spends 30% of its budget on software development if the total budget is 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 110 lakh dollar. How much is allocated for development? If you want answer of this question, you can you can message me on WhatsApp number. I will give you WhatsApp number in between the video or at last the video. Coding question: what is the time complexity of a binary search algorithm? 0 of n. What is the output of the following Python code? Okay. In object-oriented programming, which principle ensure data is not directly accessible? What is the output of the following JavaScript code? Which SQL command is used to retrieve data from a database? Second, IT infrastructure management. What is the main goal of IT infrastructure management? If a network has a bandwidth of 100 Mbps, how much data can be transferred in 10 seconds? A company has 5 servers with an uptime of 99.9%. What is the downtime per year? If the efficiency of an IT system is reduced by 10% every year, what will be the efficiency after 2 years if it started at 100%? A router forwards 500 packets per second. How many packets does it forward in 5 minutes? Coding question: what does RAID stand for an IT infrastructure? In Linux, which command is used to check system resource usage? Which of the following is not a cloud computing service model? Which of this is a type of IP address? What is the purpose of a firewall in network security? Cloud services. What is the primary advantage of cloud computing? A company reduces IT cost by 20% using cloud services. If the initial cost was $50,000, what is the new cost? If a cloud server handles 200 requests per second, how many requests are processed in 5 minutes? If a cloud-based backup takes 4 hours at a 50 Mbps, how long would it take at 100 Mbps? A cloud storage provider offers 500 GB of free storage. If a user has used 320 GB, how much space is left? Coding question: which cloud computing model provides a virtual machine and storage but requires users to manage OS and applications? In AWS, which service is used for object storage? What command is used to list all running Docker containers? In Kubernetes, what is used to manage containerized applications? Which cloud service provider offers Azure Function? Cybersecurity. What is the main goal of cybersecurity? If a password policy requires at least characters and each character can be of 62 options A to Z 0 to 9, how many possible passwords exist? A firewall blocks 90% of incoming threats. If 5,000 threats are detected, how many get through? A company detects three cybersecurity breaches in 30 days. What is the average breach rate? What is the average breach rate per day? If a hacker gives us password at 10,000 attempts per second, how long would it take to give a 6 character password with 62 possible characters? Which protocol encrypts with web traffic? What type of attack involves sending fake emails to steal sensitive information? Which Python library is used for hashing passwords? In JavaScript, how can you prevent cross-site scripting? What is the strongest encryption algorithm? Fifth topic: web and mobile app development. What is the most important factor in user experience? A web page loads in 2 seconds, but after optimizing, it loads in 1.5 seconds. What is the percentage improvement? If an app has 1 million downloads and 60% of users actively use it, how many active users are there? A mobile app crashes 5 times in 1000 sessions. What is the crash rate? If a website's conversation rate increases from 2% to 3%, what is the percentage increase? Which programming language is primarily used for Android app development? What is the correct way to define a function in JavaScript? What does CSS stand for? Which framework is used for cross-platform mobile app development? What is the default port for an HTTP server? Sixth topic: IT consulting. What is the main role of IT consulting? IT consultant. If an IT project takes 3 months to complete and a new approach reduces the time by a 25% long, how long does it take now? A company spends a dollar 10,000 per month on IT. If they reduces cost by 15%, what is the new monthly expense? If a consultant charges $100 per hour and works 8 hours a day, what is the daily charge? What is ROI in business? कस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट ये क्या है? ये आपको एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन कवर करने को मिला है। अगर आपको एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन कवर करना है तो आप यहाँ से कर सकते हैं। आप मुझसे पीडीएफ ले सकते हैं व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू। सो मैं आपके लिए यहीं तक वीडियो बनाऊंगा। ये यहाँ से आपको एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन दिए हैं हर एक स्पेशलिटीज़ के, तो आप देख सकते हैं पीडीएफ के थ्रू। और अगर आपको नहीं करना है तो आप वीडियो के थ्रू यहाँ तक कवर कर सकते हैं। सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक करना ना भूलें।